gentlemen, introducing our three judges scoring at ringside, scoring a 10-point must system. We have Angelito Buwake, Sean Ray Bunyao, and Anthony Humawi. And when the bell rings, the referee in charge of the action. Third man inside the ring, referee Angelito Picado. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 8 rounds of professional boxing in the lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing white with black, official weight 134.70 pounds. He brings to the ring a professional record of 9 wins, 7 defeats, 3 bouts even, with 2 of those victories coming by way of knockout. Mind you, ladies and gentlemen, he has traveled all the way from Jakarta, Indonesia, determined to silence this crowd